video. This is the Timex Expedition, and whenever you replace the battery, it's really hard to get the back snapped on again the way it was before. So this one's been very stubborn. Been having a hard time. As you can see, I keep pressing on it and it just doesn't want to go on. So I have a Jorest watch press, and we're going to use it to put this back on. Now I already got the two molds that are the correct fitting, so we're just gonna undo that part. And you also want to place, it comes with these papers here, so you want to place this at the bottom so you don't mess up the crystal here. And then we're gonna match up the vessel with the mold so that we're sitting properly on it. Okay, that seems to be the right place for it. And all we're going to do is we're going to slowly bring it down. As you're moving it down, if you need to make more adjustments, you can. As you can see, you can adjust this part if you want. Make it even. So let's keep going. As you see, it started to move a little bit, but I'm going to grab it. It's starting to get tighter now. Okay, now as I look at it, I'll turn it around and I can see maybe that this part has come off a little bit, so I'm going to undo it and I'm going to try it again. But let's just check just to see if maybe it's on there, because usually you can hear it snap on, but I didn't hear it snap on. But let's take a look. Well, it looks like it's on there though, so you can see it's pretty flush on there. So although I didn't hear it snap on, it is on there now. I'm gonna take a look all around. That's where you usually pop it out at, right there. You see it's running perfectly. This is already scratched, so it didn't do any damage to that. But let's say you use the Jorest watch press. Works out pretty well. All right.